I will do an egg cue.
And
huwag mo ilaglag, nagbablog ako. Lumayas ka na nga dito. Hey folks! It's Denise, and for TMC Day 6, I am going to turn these tall white-like trousers into a summer fit. So without further ado, let's get started. When I said that it's a tall trouser, it literally is a tall trouser. I wanted to look cute, that's why I put a heart here and I put a lot of blush here. But now I look like I have a cold. Gagawa ko ng poetry gamit pangalan mo. Ika dito, ika dito. Dali na, ako lang yan. Ayaw pa pumunta agad. Magulo daw buhok niya. Since I am kawaii today.
What?
I am kyopta today.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I will do an egg cue. Gagawa ng poem gamit yung pangalan mo.
pero by syllable, kunwari, da, mag-iisip ako na sasabihin mula sa da, tas ni, tas mula sa ni, tas sa L. Gets? Okay.
Game, game.
1, 2, 3, go. Da. Dahil sa'yo. Da. Dahil sa'yo, ako'y matapot. Ikaw. Hindi ka ba yung hindi lalaban? L. Ilang ulit ko. Da. Dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo. Ni. Hinakaw mo ang puso ko. N. English naman, English. Lagi mo bang nagsi-English word na nagsisimula sa L? I will see. Da. That's the way you are. Yaw na. Yaw na. Ni. Nico, Nico, ni. L. Ano na ba? Nangikita.
Lumayas ka na nga dito. Tapos ng cameo mo. Chupi. Since this trouser is really long, I decided to mark it and cut the excess. Then, I am going to turn the excess into a halter top. So, let's cut. I already finished cutting the excess part. Now, I'm going to fold the end of the trousers and glue it using a fabric glue. It's done!
Ginagawa mo!
Now, let's see if it turned out exactly as how I wanted it to. Now, let's do the halter top. Since gusto niyang magkanon, siya lang gagawa. Uy, gaganon pa ako kanina. Huwag mo ilaglag, nagbablog ako. While he is doing that, I'm going to start marking how I'm going to do the top. So I've finished making 2 triangles, and this is how I'm going to make it. Then I'm gonna fold this one and put a string in it. So it's going to be a backless halter top. So I'm just going to cut this part, this one, and I will use it as a string. I finished cutting 2 strings for my halter top. Now I am going to use this to put them together. Ta-da! I finished it. Now I'm going to put the strings here. it looks like this. It turned out pretty great, and I'm starting to love this now. This transformation so much, and this is definitely one of my favorites. Just look at it. It's almost 4 a.m. in the morning now, and the reason being why I am always filming lately is because we're obviously doing something during the day, so my only time is to do it during the night. That's it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you again tomorrow for the last video of TMC. Bye folks!